Good evening, and tonight on Cooking Conspiracy, we're doing linguine with clams and a spicy red sauce. Yum, 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 yum. Alright, you got 75% of the time it takes your linguine to cook because you're going to finish in the sauce. So, start heating your pan, add some olive oil. Then, add your garlic before the oil gets too hot, move it around. A little bit of dried parsley because I'm not a snob and I'm okay using dry herbs, and I didn't have any fresh parsley. So add some red pepper, that's going to give your spice, or peppercino, I think it's the same thing. You can always add more, so be conservative. Now, as your garlic starts to take a little bit of color on, it's time to add your clams, and your clams will keep cooking with the garlic, so that works out. But clams are going to cook from inside out. As salt water in them steams, they'll start to open up. Add about a third of a cup of tomato sauce, just tomato sauce, no floaties. Move it around a little bit, and then you're going to add an equal amount of white wine to the mix. Alright. Now, as you can see, you're going to have to reduce that sauce a little bit. Now, this is a great time to talk about consent here. Now, if a clam doesn't open for you, don't force it open. Don't try to eat it. You'll have bad results and there will be consequences. So, when the clams open up nicely, just appreciate them. Give them a little bit of shake to encourage them. This whole thing, the sauce, clams, this was about 7 minutes or so. Alright, and then once most of your clams are open, add your linguine in. It should not be quite al dente yet, because you're going to finish cooking it to al dente in the sauce. The noodles will do a great job absorbing that sauce with all that flavor. Now, I didn't add much salt here because, one, the clams have salt in the salt water inside of them, and then I salted my water when I boiled the pasta. So, there's plenty of salt. Add a little bit more red pepper, then a little bit more parsley, just to top it off. Be good. Oh, look at that. Now, yeah, a little bit of fresh parsley would make a great garnish. It would look pretty. Serve it with the same white wine you use to cook with it. Don't cook with shit wine. You cook with wine that you would actually drink with. Doesn't have to be that expensive, but there you have it. Seafood. Don't mess around with Parmesan.